Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you RSI trading strategy, how you enter and exit the trading market, how two RSI and two MAs crossover lead you to amazing profit. RSI or Relative Strength Index is one of the most popular and strong indicators developed by J. Wells Wilder in the year 1980. This indicator is designed to produce buy and sell signals and also show traders when is the best time to enter and exit the market. It also has the ability to gauge the primary direction of the trend. This indicator is defined in percentage of buyers and sellers' power in the market and produce their buy and sell signals based on leaving the overbought and oversold area. RSI defined in percentage between 0 and 100. When it's 100, it means all the market power is in the hand of buyers only. When it's 0, it means all the market power is in the hand of sellers only. And it has two boundaries, one 30, another one is 70, which you can vary it yourself, make it 2080. And also it's another boundary, which is 50. When the price is in 50 line, it means buyers and sellers had the same power. Between 70 and 100, this zone, they call that overbought area or bullish area. And between 0 and 30, they call that oversold area or bearish area. When the price going inside the overbought area and go up and come back, while it's coming back and cutting the 70% line downward, it creates a sell signal. So you can exit the market. When it comes down and enter the oversold area, while it's going out of this area upward and cutting the 30% line, it creates a buy signal. So you can enter the market. So this price fluctuates all the time, up and down, and you have to be alert when it goes in overbought area or oversold area, so you can enter and exit the market. So this 100 and 0, we know that the formula inside RSI, it is designed in such a way that we never get 100 or 0, but we get closer to 100. As soon as we get closer to 100, it means the buyers has strong power in the market. And when we get closer to 0, it means the sellers has a strong power in the market. In this graph, I'm going to show you how you recognize incomplete buy and sell signal. This is an RSI graph, and this is overbought bullish area, that's oversold bearish area. And then when the price leave, it goes in the overbought area and make a peak, and leaving this area, cutting the 70% line and going and make another peak here without entering this area, and then going downward after that, it creates a strong sell signal right here. You can exit the market. And then again, when the price make a big rally in the oversold area and leaving this 30% area and make another rally here without re-entering this area, it creates a strong buy signal. You can enter the market right here. A strong, they call this, and this they call incomplete buy signal, incomplete sell signal. This is Yahoo Finance and K Stock D1 time frame. Each candle represents 1 day of trading. I installed 2 moving average. The first one is fast moving average indicated with the red color. The second one is slow moving average indicated with the blue color. Now the trend between July and August is upward. You see that it's upward. The price trend is above the red moving average, and both of them, they're above the blue moving average. So that is the good indications that the trend is upward. And also on RSI, you see clearly that RSI, both of them, they are above 50% line. This is 30% line and this is 70% line. So both of them, they're above 50% line. That's a good indication that the trend is upward. Now, in order to know where we have to enter the market between July and August, now we have to go to 2-level lower time frame. This is D1, the 1 day of trading. Now 1 level lower, that's 4 hours trading, and 2 level lowers, that's 1 hour trading. So we have to go to 1 hour time frame to see where we have to enter the market. So let's see the 1 hour time frame. This is Yahoo Finance, K Stock, and H1 time frame. Each candle represents 1 hour of trading. This graph is identical as the graph we saw before. We want to find the places that we enter the market. So those places should be, the direction of that places should be the same direction as long time frame, D1. So in this graph, I installed 2 RSI. RSI 10 indicated with the red color as fast RSI. RSI 20 with the blue color as a slow RSI. Whenever or wherever the RSI 10 crosses RSI 20 while going upward, this cross, we use it as entering the market. So here we enter the market here, and whenever that the RSI 10 crosses RSI 20 while going downward, we use that cross as exiting the market. So we can enter the market here, exit the market here. This is again RSI 10 crosses RSI 20 while going upward. We can enter the market. You can exit the market here, and also you can enter the market here. So here we install 2 MAs. MA 10 represent 2 weeks of stock market. Every week stock market open 5 days. So 2 weeks constitute for 10 days, and 42 constitute for 2 months. Every month is 21 days of the stock market opens. So then 10 and 42 is exactly that the scale of 1 to 4. Usually the same scale as time frame. Let's say if your time frame is 4 hours, 1 step lower time frame is 1 hour. 1 step again lower is 15 minutes. This is Yahoo Finance and ARX stock, D1 time frame. Each candle represent 1 day of trading. This is a long time frame. D1 is a long time frame between July 14, which is approximately here, and August 14, which is approximately here. You see the trend is upward. The trend is upward. The trend is above EMA 10 and EMA 42. And also it's indicated in RSI 2, RSI 10 fast RSI, RSI 20 is slow RSI. you see RSI 10 is all the time above RSI 20. That is a good indication of upward trend. Now, in order to know where exactly we can enter the market, we have to go to two-step lower time frame, means H1 time frame, in order to find the places that you can enter the market. Let's see H1 time frame. This is again Yahoo Finance ARX stock and H1 time frame. Each candle represents 1 hour of trading. So this graph is in 1 hour time frame. In this graph, which is between July 14 and August 14, we saw in 1 hour time, 1 day time frame, you see that the trend was upward. Now here, those location that the trend is upward, we have to use as entry point. So whenever or wherever the RSI 10 crosses RSI 20 while going upward, that we use that as entry point. This is the first location that RSI 10 crosses RSI 20 while going upward. So this is one entry point. That is exit point. RSI 10 crosses RSI 20 while going downward. So that is an exit point. That enter point, exit, enter here, you can exit here, and here again, RSI 10 crosses RSI 20 while going upward. That is, you can enter the market here. You can enter the market also here. You can exit the market right there. And also you can exit the market here. So you see that RSI is very effective in order to enter or exit the market. The reason is, when you see the trend in 1 day trading, now the RSI produce signal in a lower time frame to show you ahead of time that the trend is going to go downward or the trend is going to go upward. So you can use those signals in order to enter and exit the market. Now, the rule to enter the trade with RSI and MA: first, install 2 MAs. Second, install 2 RSI. And we use the D1 time frame to check the direction of the long price trend. We use H1 time frame to find exact places to enter and exit the market. For upward trend, the blue MA should be upward, the red MA should be above the blue MA, the price trend should be above the red MA. When the direction of the long-term trend was determined in D1 time frame, we go to H1 time frame and find those RSI crossover that are in line with the direction of D1 time frame and then enter the market. For downward trend, the blue MA should be downward, the red MA should be below the blue MA, the price trend should be below the red MA. When the direction of the long-term trend was determined in D1 time frame, we go to H1 time frame and find those RSI crossover that are in line with the direction of D1 time frame and exit the market. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments. Thanks for watching. Take care and see you next time.